The problem the industry is facing with the tariff threat is that while the stated objective is to penalize the EU producers and the EU in general, the tariff is paid by the U.S. importer. So if it's at 100%, they've doubled the cost of their product, which means that there's not going to be a market for that product, whether it's olive oil or any other product. So there's no way to recoup that cost. There's no substitutes because if every ounce of olive oil produced outside of the U.S., anywhere in the world, was shipped to the United States, it would still meet well less than half of the demand for olive oil that's out there right now. So there is no adequate supply. Italy would be hit tremendously hard by the 100% tariff on olive oil because still here in the United States, the general public, when they hear olive oil, they think Italy. Spain, another huge producer, but the mindset is still with a lot of consumers that it's olive oil, it's coming from Italy. So the impact on Italian producers, Italian residents here in the United States, and the general public who associate Italian foods and olive oil with Italy will be drastic. The NOA started a petition to help draw attention not only to our government, but also to the general public and the dietitians and nutritionists and doctor communities so that they could also weigh in and let our government know that taxing olive oil at 100% is tantamount to taxing health. And it's not good policy. There are other medication type of exemptions, so the same should apply to olive oil.